Virtual Lab Solution. This video explains about the overall view and features of Virtual Lab Solution. According to the university syllabus, we can give the experiment in unit-wise manner. Each lab experiment contains aim, requirement, theory, virtual procedure, and virtual lab, and assessment to know overall idea about the particular experiment. Aim explains what we can learn from the experiment with required voiceover. Requirement explains which are the materials required for particular experiment with its specifications with required voiceover. The theory part explains the theoretical aspects of the particular experiment with neat diagram. In virtual procedure explains how to do the experiment in step by step with required voiceover. Conduct the load performance test on DC shunt motor. Let us see the performance of DC shunt motor by conducting the load test. Connect positive terminal of the DC supply to the positive terminal of the ammeter. The positive terminal of the ammeter is connected to positive terminal of the voltmeter. The negative terminal of the ammeter is connected to L terminal of the 3-point starter. Then increase the load to the motor gradually and note down the appropriate readings of voltmeter, ammeter, spring balance and tachometer.
DC షంట్ మోటార్లో లోడ్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ పరీక్షను ప్రదర్శించండి. లోడ్ టెస్ట్ నిర్వహించడం ద్వారా DC షంట్ మోటార్ పనితీరును చూద్దాం.
In virtual lab, user can operate the experiment virtually in step by step followed by the instruction given. The instruments and components are designed to feel real-like a response. For example, you can give the wire connection by drag and drop between two terminals. Once you finish the all connections as per the circuit diagram, you can verify the connection. User can vary the input parameters to form the tabulation. After forming the tabulation, you can do the calculation virtually by using formula through output parameters. Finally, you can draw the characteristics curve using calculated values. Moreover, you can verify your characteristics using model graph. User can test themselves by undertaking the assessment test under every experiment.